At the moment on this restoration project, I am rebuilding and installing the rudder stocks, the cutlass bearings and the stern glands for the prop shafts. I need to make sure that they're absolutely waterproof, so I'll show you how I'm going to do that. For the rudder stock, inside the hull will be this structural timber that will go up inside and hold the rudder stock into place. And on the outside, this wooden plate will go on to level up the rudders. I'm not real big on modern technology, but sometimes they do have their use. For these through fittings that I'm putting in through the hull, I'm using silicone to create a gasket on both sides, inside and out. And this is how I do it. I will squirt silicone around the openings and let it dry for 24 hours so that you get a true gasket that has tension, rather than just squirting it on and squishing it together and hoping for the best. This way actually makes a watertight seal. Once that's bolted into place and the other piece is bolted on the outside, tightened up, this system will create a watertight seal. Okay, so using a good quality silicone, I'll cut the nozzle off fairly wide so that it makes a nice big gasket around the holes, and then I very carefully just squeeze it out as close to the edge of the hole as I possibly can. Nice and fat, slowly and consistently, all the way around, right on the edge. So when it squeezes up, it squeezes out and seals the deal. Make sure you overlap. And there you go. Now, what you have to do for this system is to leave that to set for 24 hours. It will go semi-hard, and then you can bolt it into place. And here's where it goes. Just like that. Now, if I was to just squirt the silicone around these holes and squish it down as hard as I could, it would be hit and miss if it was going to seal. But by using the silicone as a firm gasket, I can guarantee that this is not going to leak. And before I put in the rudder stock, I'll do the same system again around this edge. Let it set as a double guarantee that that's going to seal off, and then bolt it all into place, nice and tight. And I'll use this silicone gasket system for all my through fittings throughout the hull, all of the deck fittings, and anything that needs a watertight seal. Give it a try, see how it works for you.